Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Swagman! 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 Good morning, SK. Welcome back to another episode of WTV, the broadcast where you don't have to be a wolf to watch, but it sure does help. I'm Wyatt.
And I'm Nathan. Go ahead and take the spotlight.
Sure thing. First off, we said this all week so far, but no students are allowed to carry prescription or over-the-counter medications on themselves at school. Any medication must have a doctor's note and will have to be locked in the health room. Need help with math? Well, you can go to room 222 after school on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday until 2:45. There will be a teacher that can help. You may remember the student walkout several weeks ago on the topic of sexual assault. You've been heard, and now the change to make an impact on the issue with an upcoming workshop.
Hi SK, my name is Kaylin Pajak. I'm here in a continued effort to address the issues on sexual violence or exploitation. Unfortunately, sexual violence is a prominent issue in society. We have seen many schools, including ours, doing walkouts, speeches, or just students begging to be heard on the topic, and we have been heard. We will all want everyone to feel safe and comfortable and not have to experience assault of any kind, and if these incidences do occur, we want to provide counseling or any other help needed. We are teaming up with an organization called Scarlet Road to provide a workshop here on campus. Here is a little bit more information on what that workshop will be able to provide.
At Scarlet Road, we work to offer crisis support to survivors of sexual exploitation and human trafficking while offering educational opportunities for students and for community members. We've been asked by South Kitsap High School to come and offer a workshop to students to offer our insights on prevention, on identification, and on safe supportive healing processes within our community. We also come understanding the frustrations and the concerns around systemic approaches to violence and hope to offer our insight and support in your desire to see change. I myself also come to you as a survivor myself of both human trafficking and sexual exploitation, which has happened for me both domestically, which means in our country, and overseas. I hope that I can bring an insight and wisdom and understanding and comfort and support for students. So please, if you're interested, come and sign up for our workshop, which will be happening in February. Signups are in the Student Center today.
And as Kaylin just mentioned, this is a really important topic at this time, not only in our school, but our community and our country. And so we're really excited to have Scarlet Road here with us to conduct these workshops. And Mrs. Vergoots is going to tell you how you can get signed up.
Thank you. So the workshops are actually going to take place on February 17th and 18th. The workshop itself is a total of 2 hours divided over those 2 days. So you would be attending for 1 hour each day, and it will take place during your class day, so you don't have to worry about coming into school before or after school to attend. Because of the sensitivity of the topic, we'd like to have 2 smaller workshop groups. So we encourage you to sign up with your counselor or talk to your counselor if you're interested as soon as possible. Or if you know for sure that this is something that you want to do, you can go right to the Career Center and sign up with them. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Sign up with your counselor or in the Career Center as soon as possible if you're interested in attending these workshops starting next Wednesday. Leading into sports news, football coaches are handing out awards to players during lunch tomorrow. Men's soccer and ladies water polo players will have a meeting with their coaches after school today. If you're interested in either, soccer will meet in Stage 2, while water polo meets in the Sophomore Commons pit. Baseball and track and field have meetings tomorrow after school as well. But if you're interested in playing, you can still sign up. You just need to have a current physical on file, and if you have already played a sport this year, you're good to go. If you haven't, you need to get to one as soon as possible. Since clinics are hard to get into right now, the sooner the better.
In club news, Skills USA hosted the Olympic Divisional Regionals in the Architectural Drafting and Design competition last week. With 20 students competing around the Olympic Peninsula, South Kitsap reigned victorious, taking first, second, and third place medals. Cole Newcomer took first, Rosemary Brooks took second, and Bianca Apodaca, apologize if I got that wrong, took third. Clubs meeting today are International, Poetry, QSA, Speech and Debate, Spanish, and Esports. Clubs meeting tomorrow will be Art, ceramics, DECA, German, Japanese, STEM, and yearbook.
Spirit Week continues this week with today marking Swagger Appreciation Day. Tomorrow is Senior Citizen Day, and Friday is Jersey Day. Of course, yesterday was Twin Day, and we got several pictures, but we like this one the best. Don't forget, this week is a competition between grade level classes. All this week, you can earn points for your class by sending the ASB Instagram a DM of yourself dressed up for each Spirit Day. Don't forget to do the activities at lunch to earn some extra points. Finally, there is a week-long scavenger hunt. Each completed submission will earn you 5 points. Use the QR code on screen to play. For today, find the Mystic Legend with the camera you must tag. Show us how you've discovered the poster swag.
That's it for today's news. I'm Wyatt.
And I'm Nathan. Hey, Director, it's Swagger Appreciation Day, and it's odd. I haven't seen him yet today. Do you know where he is?